How to download Splice on the PC. If you want to use the Splice and wondering on how to download it on your laptop, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, just like this. Now tap onto the search bar right here and type Splice, just like this, and search for it. Now here you can find the Splice just right here. Now to download it, simply tap onto download right here. Now wait for a few seconds, and now here you can see it has been downloaded. Now simply tap onto this file right here to open it. And now you can see it is now downloading. And that's it. This is how you can download this Splice on your laptop or PC. It is a very easy process, right? Now enjoy editing your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.